Dahil Nutrition Month ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang complementary feeding. Kailan nga ba pwedeng pakainin ng solid food si baby? Hello, kamusta po kayo? I'm Dr. Jeline, aka your tita Doktora. When do we really introduce solid food or complementary feeding to our babies? Okay, we can introduce complementary feeding at 6 months of age. Ito ay tinatawag na complementary feeding sa kadahilanang pwede na nating mabigyan ng solid food si baby to complement breastfeeding or infant formula feeding. According to WHO, complementary feeding ideally begins at 6 months of age and continues to 24 months and beyond. Other infants may start earlier, minsan as early as 4 to 6 months old. Pero hindi lang dapat ang tanong ay when do we start complementary feeding. We also have to consider if our baby or infant is developmentally ready to start complementary feeding. So what are the signs na developmentally ready na ang ating mga baby for solid feeding? When your baby has good head control, ibig sabihin he can raise his head independently. Next, when your baby has good truncal control. Ibig sabihin, pag inupo mo siya sa high chair with support on his back or on the sides, hindi siya basta-basta matutumba. And the baby can actually lean forward unassisted. You can also notice that your baby is capable of chewing already or yung humunguya na siya. Another sign is when your baby is very interested sa food. Yung natatakam na siya pag nakikitang kumakain kayo mga mommies and daddies. Or when your baby reach out for food and puts them inside their mouth. Or nangaagaw na ng pagkain. And lastly, when your baby is able to gain weight rapidly by 6 months. By 6 months, your baby's birth weight should have been doubled. Ayan, hopefully makatulong ang video na ito sa pag-introduce ng solid food sa inyong mga babies. Sa susunod na video, pag-usapan natin ang mga tips on how to start complementary feeding. Follow me for more pedia-related videos. And please do share my videos and follow my other social media accounts. Thank you!